Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to steer a car safely with hand-over-hand steering. In this video, I'll be going over a simple steering method that I use to steer my car the majority of the time. Now, when I went to driving school, this is the steering method that they taught me, and that's why it's mainly the one that I use. Now, let's get right to it, okay? Here's the steering wheel. Now, for hand-over-hand steering, you have to have your hands towards the top of the steering wheel, equidistant from the top center. So here's the top center, and I'm going to place my hands equidistant, meaning equally distant from the top center. I'm going to place them at about the 10 and 2 position. So if you imagine this as a clock, here's 12 o'clock. This right here would be about 2 o'clock. This would be about 10 o'clock. Now this gives you a nice balanced approach to steering. It allows you to control the steering wheel, and it gives you a balance to when you are actually steering. It's good for, lane changes. It's good for curves in the road, and it's also good for taking turns. And it's also good for doing sharper turns like 3-point turns or U-turns. You can actually turn the steering wheel really quickly with hand-over-hand steering. Now I'm going to show you how to do hand-over-hand steering first while I'm standing still, while I'm not driving, and then I'm going to actually show you as I'm driving around these streets. Now let's get right into it. Hands are here at 10 and 2. Now for hand-over-hand steering, what you want to do is you want to use one hand to turn the steering wheel, and then the other hand goes over it, and then the other hand goes back under it. So I know that sounds kind of complicated, but let me show you. It's a bit easier to show you. Let's say I wanted to turn left. My hands are on the steering wheel. I would take my right hand, I would bring it here to the left, and I've let go. I've released my left hand from the steering wheel. Okay? Now my left hand goes over my right hand, grabs the wheel, and my right hand goes under. Grabs the wheel. I'm back to this balanced position. I can keep going like that. The cool thing is every time you do one motion, you're back to the balanced position. So let's say I wanted to turn left, okay? So let's get the steering wheel back to the straightforward position. Let's say I wanted to turn left. I would take my left, to turn right, I'm sorry. Let's say I wanted to turn right. I would take my left hand, I would bring it towards my right, and I've released my right hand from the steering wheel. My right goes over my left goes under my right, just like that. So I'll just do it one more time slowly for you, okay? Check this out. We're gonna steer to the left, just like that. And you can see that whenever I have both hands gripping the steering wheel at the same time, within that motion, I'm balanced again, which is the key for hand-over-hand steering. That's why, in my opinion, I love using this steering method. So let's steer to the right all the way, okay? So once again, like this. I'm balanced, balanced, balanced. It's so simple, and it's so effective, and it's so versatile. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna drive around these streets over here, and I will actually show you hand-over-hand steering, okay? So we're just gonna get off that ice patch right there. We're driving. This is actually a type of street that sort of circles around. So I have my balanced approach over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn over here. So as you can see, hand over hand for that turn right there. Now that was a weird turn. I mean, I could have, whoa, that's very, woo! There's a pretty rough patch of snow right there. We're gonna turn and try and avoid this huge rough patch of snow. Just, oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna choose a different street. Wow, that was pretty rough. Okay, let's take this curve right here. Just like that. As you can see, even for curves, it's great. You can release the steering wheel. We're gonna choose some streets. We're gonna choose some streets that aren't so bumpy with ice patches and snow patches like that. I'm gonna keep driving over here. We'll make a left-hand turn. Good to go. As you can see, hand-over-hand steering, easy, versatile. It works. Now we'll take a little bit of a sharper turn here, and then I'll go on to a street that will allow me to do like a 3-point turn, or even to turn into a driveway. Okay. See, as you can see right there, balanced again. Use hand over hand, and then you get a balanced approach, just like I've shown you right there. It allows you to turn the steering wheel quickly. It's versatile because you can use it at all times, basically. It's not just a like a one-time thing. You can use it at all times. And it also allows you to have a balanced approach on the steering wheel, just like that. So what I'll do now is I'll just actually pull a 3-point turn, or even a turn into a driveway, just on this street right here. So this is what we're gonna do. We'll actually turn into, let's just choose a spot where there's not any cars in the driveway. That has pylons right there. We'll choose this driveway right here. Left turn signal on. Watch this. Hand over hand. Allows me to turn into the driveway. Putting it in reverse, hand over hand in reverse, allows me to turn in reverse and then back to drive. Look at the speed of hand over hand right there. So hand over hand steering is an easy and safe way to steer a car. Now, once again, your best bet is to actually just keep both hands on the wheel like this at sort of the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock position, and then you want to use hand over hand when necessary. So if you have your hands like this, the good thing is it allows you to steer easily. You can switch lanes like this, you can take, you know, not so sharp turns like this, and then when you have to take a sharper turn, when you have to actually turn the car, you can use hand over hand. So check this out. I was able to take that turn without even using hand over hand, but I'm still ready to use hand over hand. So that's my safe steering method. I apologize, the sun is really bright right here, so I'm gonna actually turn onto this street where the sun is not so bright. So check this out, hand over hand, so easy, and I'm balanced again, just like that. We'll take a few more turns and then that's it. I will end the video because I'm sure you guys have seen it so many times now that it is definitely in your mind and in your memory. All right, so that's basically it. In my opinion, hand over hand steering is one of the best types of steering for steering a car safely. Now, it's the method that I use the majority of the time that I drive, simply because that's what I've been taught. Like I said, when I went to driving school, that's what they taught me, so I wanted to teach you in this video. And I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Is hand over hand steering what you use? And if not, what type of steering method do you use to steer your car? Let me know as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.